Hello guys, Ivan KV is here. Let's talk about the market and what you can do when the value of crypto is falling down. Those of you who know how to trade are most likely familiar with the term short. If not, shorting assets means you sell first and you benefit off of buying an asset at a low price. Shorting assets is possible if you day trade, position trade, or if you are planning to keep your positions open for months. A lot of crypto exchanges like Binance, Kraken, FTX, and Bitfinex offer futures. You can Google the term futures if you're interested to learn more about the logic behind this concept. I will only focus on the key topic, how to make money when the crypto market is going down. In this video, I'm using Binance to trade futures. In the top left corner, you may spot the logo, Binance Futures. If you already have a Binance account, you will need to open a Binance Futures account. It's easy. Just Google how to open a Binance Futures account and you will find a bunch of video tutorials. There are many ways that you can enter short positions, which again means you profit from selling high and buying low. I will show you the easiest one. After selecting a pair that you intend to trade, transfer the desired amount of money from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. Just click on the icon next to your balance on the right sidebar and then move the funds. Choose the price at which you are planning to go short and then click on the Sell Short button. Don't confuse the buttons. You may ask, how can I sell something if I only have USDT in my wallet? Well, the logic of the futures is very different from the logic of the spot market. Think of it this way. The exchange automatically lends you the base currency and sells it for you so that you may repurchase it at a lower price and benefit off of this transaction. It is all done automatically by Binance. You don't have to worry about it. You just click sell. Everything gets converted automatically. And then you click buy when you want to repurchase. Keep in mind that if the price goes up after you enter your short position, you will be losing money. So do not confuse the buttons. Once you click sell short, you will immediately enter a short position. After entering your short position, do not forget to set up your stop loss. It is critically important when you deal with futures, as your order may get liquidated. Learn more about the liquidation process in your spare time. Select the desired buy levels, the price at which you will close your position. I am creating several limit orders as I intend to close some portions of my position earlier and some portions of my position later. I like closing my positions by splitting them in several orders. You may notice how I create my limit positions. When everything is ready, keep monitoring the process. Unrealized P&L will show you the progress in actual numbers. Pay close attention to it. Learn about the multiplicator. With futures, not only you may trade short, but you can also borrow additional funds from the exchange. On my screen, you may notice that I'm trading with 20x multiplicator. You may also notice that I am day trading, and as a result, I'm using 5-minute candles. This should not worry you. Choose whatever candles you want. As a position trader, you may select 4-hour or 6-hour candles, and you may also choose to not have a multiplicator, which will give you more room for discrepancies. I only want you to understand the concept. I want you to understand that you can make money by selling high and buying low. 50% of the time, you'll find yourself in a bearish market, so the knowledge might be useful. You may want to capitalize upon the bearish market. Binance Futures has a bunch of interesting tools, and these tools should not scare you. As you begin using the platform, you will gradually learn how to use those tools. Trading futures is a great opportunity to benefit from the bearish market. However, be responsible. Trading is not gambling. You should always have a plan in place. I hope that this video helped you understand the fundamentals, how to make money when the crypto market is rolling down. If you find this video to be useful, give it a like. Also, my channel is brand new, so I will appreciate it if you subscribe. Thanks for your time.